today's lecture, we find rational numbers between two numbers. Now, we take some example, extra sum question. Find two rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. Here, two rational numbers. These numbers are also rational number, 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. We find two rational numbers between these numbers. First process, we find two numbers, then we take 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Multiply both numbers by 3 by 3. But here denominators are different. Here 3 by 4, denominators 4 and 9. First we prepare denominator equal. Then we make both denominator equal. 3 by 4 multiply this denominator is equal to 9 by 9. 3 by 4 multiply 9 by 9 equals to 3 9s are 27 and 4 9s are 36. 5 by 9. 5 by 9 multiply 4 by 4 because its denominator multiply by this number and this denominator multiply by this number. 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36. Both numbers have denominator equal. Therefore, 27 and 36. 27 upon 36 and 20 upon 36. Therefore, two rational numbers between. Now find two rational numbers between these two numbers. Which two numbers? 3 by 4 and 5 by 9 are as follows. 3 by 4. Our method, multiply by two rational number. Find two rational number. Therefore, it's multiplied by 3 by 3. 3 by 4 equivalent 27 by 36. Therefore, we write 3 by 4 equals to 27 by 36. Multiply 2 plus 1. 3 by 3. 27 3s are 81 and 36 3s are 108. 5 by 9 is equals to equivalent to 20 by 36. Multiply by 3 by 3. 60 upon 108. Now we write infinite many numbers between these two numbers. 60 upon 108 and 81 upon 108. Here we want three numbers. Only two rational numbers between two numbers. We write any two numbers. 62 upon 108, 65 upon 108, 69 upon 108, 78 upon 108, any between 60 to 81. Therefore, between rational numbers are 61 upon 108, I write 61 upon 108, 62 upon 108, 63 upon 108, and so. Therefore, 61 upon 108. Simplification, the 31 upon 54, 9 7s are 63, 12 9s are 7 upon 12. We write like these numbers. We write extra sums number 2. This method, write three rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Here both numbers are negative numbers. Negative rational numbers. Find three rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. First, how many numbers we find? Three rational numbers. Therefore, both numbers, here both denominators are equal. Therefore, both numbers multiply by 3 plus 1 as our method. Therefore, 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. minus 2 by 5. Now our solution. Minus 2 by 5 multiply 4 by 4. How we take 4? 3 rational number. We find 3 rational number. Therefore, we add one number. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Minus 2 by 5 multiply 4 by 5 is equals to minus 8 by 20 and minus 1 by 5. Therefore, minus 1 by 5 multiply 4 by 4 is equals to minus 4 by 20. Now we write between two numbers, minus 4 by 20 and minus 8 by 20. In number line, minus 4 by 20 is greater than minus 8 by 20. First we write, therefore, three rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5 are minus 4, and between number minus 4 and minus 8, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Minus 5 by 20, minus 6 by 20 and minus 7 by 20. We arrange this number in ascending order. Minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20. Therefore, 3 2s are minus 6 and 10 2s are minus 3 by 10. Minus 5 by 20 is equals to minus 1 by 4. Now, some homework. Take some homework. Number 1. Find three rational numbers between minus 3 and minus 2. You do this method by 3 plus 1 multiply 4 and 4, 4 upon 4 and calculate this sum. Find three rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. First, you make both numbers denominator equal and then find 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4, multiply both numbers 4 by 4 and find three rational numbers between these two numbers. Now we learn irrational number. First we learn rational number, natural number, integers, whole number. Now irrational number. There are many numbers, infinitely many numbers on the number line. On the number line, negative number, positive number, zero, fractions, therefore rational numbers lie on number line. Here an additional which numbers root 5, root 6, root 9, root 10, these numbers lie on number line. These number called irrational number. Now definition, which number is called irrational number? A number which cannot be expressed in the form P upon Q. If the number is expressed in the form P upon Q, then it is called rational number. But the number which cannot be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are co-prime. What is co-prime? The number having common factor only 1. Therefore, these two numbers are called co-prime. P and Q, where P and Q are co-prime. Suppose 2 by 3. There is no common factor between them. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. 5 by 4. Here 5 ones are 1. 5, 4, 4, 2 2s are 4. No common factor. 4 ones are 4. Only one factor. This number is called co-prime number. Co-prime integers, and Q is not equals to 0. Q, that means that denominator. Denominator cannot be 0 is called an irrational number. Again, which number is called irrational number? The number which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are co-prime numbers, and Q prime integers, and Q is not equal to 0 is called an irrational number. For example, which number are called irrational number? Root 5, root 2, root 7 by 9, cubic root by 7, etc. These numbers are called irrational number. Now, second topic. Every real number is either a rational number or an irrational number. On number line, the line numbers are rational or irrational number. Therefore, every real number is the largest set of our set, is either a rational number or an irrational number. Our smallest set, n, and that means integers. A natural number set is w. W is whole number set. Then integers, z. Z is integer set. Then q. Q is a rational number. Then real number. Real number include all these numbers, all these sets. Natural number is the smallest set. Natural number, then whole number. Whole number start from 0. This number start from 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Z, therefore negative number, positive number, and zeros including. And Q is a rational number. R is real number. R include rational number and irrational number. Now some fill-ups. Test your knowledge. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Number first. Every point on the number line. Every point on the number line R corresponds to dash number. Number line with numbers are line on number line. Then real number. Real numbers corresponds to real numbers which may be either rational number or irrational numbers. Again understood? Every point number on the number line corresponds real number which may be either rational number or irrational number. Number 2, 0 is dash number. What is 0? 0 is which number? 0 is rational number because it is denoted like 0 by 4, 0 by 1, 0 by 7. These numbers are P forming the P upon Q. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. Pi. Pi is dash number. Pi is irrational number. But we have taken sometimes in the calculation, we have taken the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 is rational number, but it is not perfectly 22 by 7. Pi is irrational number. Root 4. What is the root 4? Root 4 is equal to 2 or minus 2. Here, square root of 2, 4. Square root of 4, its square root is 2, which is integer. It is not an irrational number. Therefore, root 4 is rational number. And root 8 is dash number. Root 8, not completed number. Root 8 is which number? Irrational number.